Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at Lean Coffee Cafe. Now, the format for Lean Coffee is actually quite simple. You put a bunch of post-it notes in a section called To Discuss. So these are the post-it notes that you and your team want to talk about. All right, and then you vote for these topics, and then you start with the item that's been the top voted item. Pick that item up and put it in the discussing section. Now, you and your team can discuss about this particular topic. You can add some comments, you can add some action points, and then once you've discussed it, you can move it into the discussed section. So this template, the Lean Coffee Cafe template, is just a nice visual to support your lean coffee needs and also have this nice to discussing and discussed sections. So do check it out. It's a pretty simple template. So the next time that you want to run a retro, or if you just want to run a lean coffee session, you can use the Lean Coffee Cafe template. All right. So do like this video, do share this video with your network, and of course, do comment down below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video on this channel.